My name is Meghanathan. We are coming from Jamind Technology Private Limited in Kalyan Nagar. Our Jamind Technology based on Japanese based company. We are providing the machines in wiring harness manufacturing companies like automotive wiring harness companies and two-wheeler automotive wiring harness companies and three-wheeler or heavy vehicle wiring harness private limited. This machine is a double wire crimping machine. Okay, in this machine, what is a special means? This machine have two options. One is a horizontal double wire crimping machine, and another one is a vertical double wire crimping machine. Okay, and I will show the process of the video. In we have touch sensor available. In touch sensor and head cut cable head cut option also available. When we inserting the cable in manually, touch sensor will activate and it will start. This is a CFM error. CFM error means if any stands out or conductor show issue or double wire crimp issue, it will come defect means we need to check the defect sample. It will come stands out issue. That's why CFM was detected. CFM means crimp force monitor.